So same day, different time. What is this freaking French fry? Not even French fry. Y'all know them hot fries. Like, anywho, bro. This is what I'm finna be doing is taking off that rim and that rim. I ain't finna be doing that much talking because it is late at night and I gotta have it done by the night. So let's go. I forgot you're supposed to unloosen it on the ground because this happened. Well, let's try this again. That's one down. 4 to go. Last boat. Now we lift the car. Basically, my brother, he came in here asked if I needed any help. Mind you, I already did that one over there. And he gonna be a man one day. So basically, he's 15, by the way. He might look grown in 6'3", woo. But yeah, he about to do this side, and I'm gonna lift it up, ooh, tight jump. This your first time doing this?
Yeah.
Shoot.
So like, you know what I'm saying? What's that, man?
Never mind, nigga, get your ass on, nigga.
Did it go?
Nah, you chill, bro. This nigga just kill it. Hold on, hell nah. Anywho, now that I done took off the rest of the boats because my brother don't know what he's doing. Well, he did it right. He just doing it too aggressively, bro. But now we finna just go ahead and pump this up, and that's what it gonna be.
This is how you do it.
Y'all look at this. Look at that. Oh man. Let's hopefully, bro. Just hopefully, my junk ain't twigging. Alright.
Imagine, right? Like, you give this to a little boy and be like, clean it up, bro. I mean, you got your shoes with it.
No, I'm not putting them in the video. I said it's a car video. This is working on my car.
I mean, it's car related, but like, it's off topic. Like, you don't gotta just talk about like cars. Tarantula head.
Don't put them in the comments because I know it's scraping, but it's gonna be anyway, so I don't care. This it right here, bro. And this is gonna be like this overnight, man. So, you know, like, it's terrible, bro. I know, it's just terrible, nigga, I ain't gonna cap. But,
Why you gonna leave it like this overnight?
That's like, cause I'm taking the rims back to the what's name where I got them. Anyway.
Oh, let's see them, you know, that broken stuff over here, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna see the damage now.
Yeah.
Let me see, hold on. Now I got my flash on, we can see what was fucking damaged. And this shit like it already been welded, nigga.
That's your sockets working?
Right there. This nigga said, that's your sockets on, bro? This shit bent.
Ain't it?
Like, this shit.
I'm just trying to see, is it the same, does it look like the same thing like it do on 18 wheeler, bro?
Huh? Yes, bear. It's all the same at the end of the day.
That look like a sockets.
So, anywho, so as you see, we got stuff. This like it already been welded though, which is like concerning me. Cause like, what the hell, bro? They got going. type beat. Anywho, more stuff in there. See the pipes. What's the name bar right there? Anywho, like you see that's but we finna see if it was just like the tires or, which I know for a fact it's just not the tires, nigga. But let's look at the frame of it, cause the frame can be fried, nigga. Oh, that side over there looking tough. I'm gonna go over there real quick. But look at all of it here. Type beat. That's why that jump freaking making that noise. Cause that right there, it be going against the, okay. Now I see why I be making that noise. That sucks. Anywho. Yeah. That's gonna conclude today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bear with me, man, you know what I'm saying? This car gonna be up and running, it's gonna be looking better than it did before, you know what I'm saying? Coilovers, shh. That's all I must say. You feel me? But, gotta keep good positive attitude about it. We survived, nigga.
Yeah, I got a fit. Yeah, it costs a fit. I keep a cooler kit just for cooler